Welcome to the Spacelab Tools informational video. In this video, we will be looking at the different post holders found on the Spacelab Tools website. These post holders come in 6 different lengths: 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches to accommodate a wide variety of optical path heights. A unique feature of the Spacelab Tools post holder is that it is a solid unibody construction. By constructing the post holder from a solid piece of aluminum, greater rigidity can be attained. Looking at the post from the bottom, we can see that the post interior and exterior are milled from a single solid piece of aluminum. Looking at the competitor's post holder, we'll see the less preferred multi-piece construction, which introduces a weak point in the coupling of the post holder to the table. Since the Spacelab Tools post holder is one uniform body, this provides an extra assurance of rigidity. Next is the Flexure Grip locking mechanism. This Flexure Grip design outperforms common screw-against post designs because the Flexure Grip allows the entire exterior of the post to be in contact with the post holder. This additional surface area provides a more secure grip to hold the post in place. A common problem with designs that have a single screw in contact with the post is that a post has holes for various purposes. Since that is the case here, a screw-against post design can fail if the screw is aligned with the hole. In the Spacelab Tools post holder, this problem is removed completely as the thumb screw is on the exterior, which drives the flexure mechanism to secure the post in place. Lastly, a common flaw found in competitive post holders is a weak thumb screw. Here's an example of how too much torque can ruin a post holder that has a screw in contact with the post. When using a hex key to secure the post in the post holder, the top of the thumb screw has a tendency to break off. Spacelab Tools thumb screws do not suffer this weakness by design, and the post holder design further eliminates the need to overdrive the thumb screw. Thanks for watching the Spacelab Tools informational video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informational videos like this, consider subscribing. For more information about these post holders and other Spacelab Tool products, visit www.spacelabtools.com. Link is in the description below.